You know, in English language we have many different words which sometimes can be very similar and confusing. Well, like for example the word all and every. They're very similar, but at the same time they are different. It's very different to use them. Well, worry no more, because in this lesson we're going to learn all the differences between all and every. Let's get started. Hello, my name is Maddie from Piece of Cake English, and in this lesson let's learn 3 differences between all and every. Well, we use all and every to talk about people and things in general, right? They have the same meaning, but the use in a sentence is different. Let's learn 3 main differences between all and every. Number 1, with every, we use singular noun. With all, we use plural noun. For example, look at this sentence. Every child needs love. Every child needs love. Well, we have every plus child. Child is the singular form of children. So 1 child, 2 children, 3 children, 4 children, 5 children, 1 child. So every child needs love. We have every plus a singular noun and a singular verb. Needs. Every child needs love. But you can say the same sentence using all. However, all comes with a plural noun. So all children need love. All children need love. We use plural noun of child, which is children, plus the verb is no longer third person singular. All children need love. So you either say every child needs love or all children need love. Or imagine at the end of the class, every student is tired. Listen up. Every student in the class is tired. Every student. Student is singular. Plural is students. Every student is tired. Is also singular. So after every, we use the singular noun, and the noun needs a singular verb. Every student is tired. How would you say this with all? All, say it with me, all students are tired. Every student is tired. All students are tired. Every city in the world is beautiful in some way. Every city in the world is beautiful in some way. Say the sentence with all. All cities in the world are beautiful in some way. So every city in the world is beautiful. All cities in the world are beautiful. So that was the first difference. Every plus singular noun, all plus plural noun. I've read all the books in that bookstore. I loved every book of that bookstore. The second difference between all and every is with regard to countable and uncountable nouns. First, what is a countable noun? A countable noun is a noun that you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, apples. I have an apple, I have 2 apples, 3 apples, 4 apples. Apple is a countable noun. But coffee. Is coffee countable? Well, I have a cup of coffee. How many coffees do I have inside? 1 molecule, 2 molecules? I cannot count coffee. So coffee is uncountable. Here are some other uncountable nouns, like, for example, music. Music is not countable. Well, you may say music track, but music is not countable by itself. Or water, tea, coffee, or basically all liquid forms like juice. Hair, well, you cannot count it.
You can, like 1, 2, 3.
But it takes ages to count all of the hair, so not countable. We have luggage. When you travel and you take luggage with you, you don't count your luggage. Well, you have a suitcase or 2 suitcases, but you have luggage. It's not countable. Or furniture, like a chair and an armchair, or I don't know, a computer table. These are furniture. We don't count them. We call them furniture. Or money. We don't count money. It's not like I have one money, two monies, three monies. No, I have like $3, but I don't have three monies. Money is not countable. Or bread. Bread is not countable, so you might have a loaf of bread, but bread generally is not countable. Okay, enough with the countable, uncountable nouns. What's the big deal here? Well, you can use all with uncountable nouns. Listen up. You can use all with uncountable nouns, but you cannot use every with uncountable nouns. I like all music. I like all music. Hip hop, I don't know, heavy metal, metal, pop, jazz. I like all music. But I cannot say I like every music because music is not countable. I like all music. Sorry, you're late. I drank all the tea. I drank all the tea. I cannot say I drank every tea because tea is not countable. I drank all the tea. We have no more left. I spent all the money. I spent all the money. I don't say I spent every money. No, I spent all the money. He ate all the bread. He ate all the bread. Not every bread, because bread is not countable. He ate all the bread. We were moving to a new apartment, so we sold all furniture. We sold all the furniture. I don't say we sold every furniture. We sold all the furniture because furniture is not countable. Oh my God, I forgot all the luggage. I forgot all the luggage. I don't say I forgot every luggage. I say I forgot all the luggage because luggage is not countable. Now, before we get to the third difference, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe. And now, the third difference between all and every. What's the difference between all day and every day? Well, I was here all day. She was here every day. What's the difference? Well, I was here all day means I was here from morning till night. The whole day. One complete day. I was here all day. But she was here every day means she was here on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Every 7 days of the week. So, when you say all day, it means the whole day from morning to night. But when you say every day, it means all the days of a week. Or here's another example. I was waiting for your call all day. Why didn't you call me? I was waiting for your call all day. Why didn't you call me? It means from morning till night, I was with my phone. He's gonna call. Yeah, well, he's gonna call. I'm sure he'll call. Why isn't he calling me? I was waiting all day for you to call me, but you didn't. Or, I go to gym every day. I go to gym every day. Well, not really, but I go to gym every day. It means that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, I go to gym every day of the week. The same is true for when you say all week or every week, right? So when you say all week, it means from the beginning of the week to the end of the week. I've been studying all week. I've been studying all week. It means from Monday to Sunday, right? Yes, Monday to Sunday, I have been studying. I've been studying all week. I read a new book every week. It means this week I read a book, then the next week I read another book. So all week means the whole week, and every week means this week, the other week, the week after that, and all the weeks in a month, or even the next month, or even a year. That was it, guys. We learned 3 main differences between all and every. Now, don't forget to practice, take notes, refer to your notes, read your notes, and remember the 3 P's. What are the 3 P's? Practice, practice, and practice. Now, as a challenge for you, you can write down some sentences using all and every in different sentences and leave a comment. See you in the next lesson.